Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng opinion reaction itong post ni Joey De Bebre. Sabi niya, ibang level talaga ang House of Representatives. Ayaw sumagot. Will the Supreme Court take this disrespect kindly? Disrespect ka, bakit this? Supreme Court, blink twice if you are in trouble. Okay, sinare ni Joey De Bebre ang post ni All Right. I think itong si All Right, si Teo Moreno. Okay. The House of Representatives doesn't want to answer these questions from the Supreme Court. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, mga 10 or 11 questions ang tinatanong ng Supreme Court. Yung iba, nasagot na. Naisubmit na. Except itong 4, hindi nila sinagot. Bakit kaya? Ito, number 1 question. Letter F. As to the articles of impeachment transmitted to the Senate, which office or committee prepared the draft of the articles of impeachment and when it was completed? Yun, hindi nila sinagot. Letter G, ito yung mismong order ng Supreme Court. F, G. As to the articles of impeachment transmitted to the Senate, when it was circulated to the members of the House of Representatives, and whether it was circulated to all members of the House of Representatives. Dalawa. Pangatlo, EFG H. As to the articles of impeachment transmitted to the Senate, when it was circulated to the members of the House of Representatives, whether it was accompanied by evidence for its article charge, or if there was a committee report for the information of the members to decide on whether to endorse it or not. EFJ. As to the articles of impeachment transmitted to the Senate, whether each of the members of the House of Representatives had time to peruse the charges and evidence before affixing their consent. Dito, checkmate sila dito. Itong 4 na tanong. Anong ibig sabihin? They are abusive of the system. They don't want to be checked by the Supreme Court because it would reveal the constitutional violations they committed. Sabi ni All Right. Okay. Ito po yung eksaktong sagot ng House of Representatives sa 4 na questions. Respondents most respectfully beg the indulgence of the Honorable Court and convey the need to decline responding to F, J, H, and to further respond to inquiry J. So, F, G, H, J. Sabi ng Kamara, it is the position of the House that these matters pertain to its internal proceedings, which have always been regarded as beyond the jurisdiction and scrutiny of this honorable court. This is especially true because matters referred to the preparation, circulation, and perusal of the impeachment complaint, as well as its attachments, are not governed by any specific constitutional provision or House rules. Yan. So, in short, tingin nila itong Kamara na sumusobra na kayo, Supreme Court. Huwag nyo kaming pakialaman. Sarili naming diskarte ito. Sariling diskarte namin ito. Wala kayong pakialam. Kaya hindi namin sasagutin. So ano sa tingin nyo ang dating sa mga Supreme Court itong ayaw pagsagot? To me, opinion ko lang ito ha, ordinary citizen lang. Na, wala namang masama sa tinatanong ng Supreme Court. Yun, letter F. Sinong committee o anong opisina ang nag-prepare ng draft ng Articles of Impeachment? O, sabi nila, Committee on Justice. Sino pa? Office of, most likely, Committee on Justice. Ganun lang. Kasi may nag-prepare niyan eh. Diba? Bakit ayaw nilang sagutin? Letter J. Kung nabigyan ba ang lahat ng members ng House of Representatives yung impeachment na na-transmit sa Senate? Yes or no man lang yan. Yes or no? Nabigyan ba lahat o hindi? Bakit ayaw nilang sagutin? Letter H. When yung bang articles of impeachment nung ibinigay sa mga kongresista, naka-attach ba doon yung mga ebidensya for its article para yon ang basihan ng mga kongresista to endorse it or not. Di ba common sense lang yun? Ako yung kongresista. Ito yung mga reklamo kay BP Sara. So, babasahin ko yung reklamo, titignan ko yung ebidensya. Kaya, malakas ang ebidensya. Dapat lang ma-impeach itong Vice President dahil malakas yung ebidensya. O di, perma ako. Kaya lang, tignan ko yung reklamo, yung akusasyon, ano naman yung ebidensya, mahina o walang ebidensya, ayoko, hindi ko pipirma yan. O, di ba? That's very basic. Tapos ayaw nilang sagutin. And then, letter G is, nabigyan ba ng panahon yung mga kongresista na mag-aral o pagbasahin? Wala na. Dito sila na checkmate na corner. Kasi si Senator Marcoleta mismo ang nakarinig sa sinabi ng kanyang mga kapwa kongresista na wala daw silang panahon, din nila kayang basahin o intindihin yung mga legal terms. Kakaunti naman ang abogado dyan sa mga kongresista. Paano nila maintindihan yung ilang 33 pages yan? So, inamin na ng mga kongresista, mga ilan-ilan, kay Senator Marcoleta, hindi nila nabasa. Basta pinapirma na lang. So, dito sila umaaray o dito sila ayaw sagutin. So, hintayin na lang natin ano ang reaksyon ng Supreme Court dito. But I tell you, kung ako member ng Supreme Court, ganun na lang ako. Okay. Salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel, mga kaibigan. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talandig dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito, pantulong natin sa tribo. Sa ngayon, namimigay tayo ng livelihood assistance sa kanila, nagpapatanim ng saging lakatan, intercrop with Arabica coffee.